everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So today, it's already like 12 in the afternoon. I did wake up at like 10. It was really hard to get up this morning, TMI, but I started my period. So the first day I always start, I feel horrible. I feel so nasty right now, like cramping and just, you feel bloated. I mean, if you're a female, you understand what I'm saying right now. And most of you are female that watch my videos, but I just feel really bloated and I don't want to do anything, but unfortunately I have to. So this morning I've basically just spent some time. I had a mess up with my Patreon. Winner was giving me old patrons and one of the winners was an old patron. So I fixed it and now I have the official giveaway winner, which is Charlotte, and Charlotte is a huge supporter of my channel. She supports me on absolutely everything I do. So congratulations, Charlotte, for winning the giveaway. I'm going to be getting all of that stuff together today. I also published Vlogmas Day 2 a little bit ago and you guys have been seeming to like it, so that's pretty awesome. I stayed up till 2 in the morning last night getting it edited and uploaded for Patreon, so I am just super tired. But it is time to open day 2 in the Arteza advent calendar. By the way, guys, this advent calendar is sold out, so I don't believe that they're restocking them. They may be, so I'll have the link down below. All right, so let's find day 2. I don't know. Here it is. It's really thin. I don't know if you can see it. I have a feeling it's gonna be some type of like pencil. Everything's falling out from other days. Okay, it looks like we have some type of marker. Let me try to get it out. All right, so in day 2, we have an Everblend art marker. I actually have a whole set of their Everblend art markers. This is in the color red. So I'm just gonna add this to my little set that I have. It's kind of like Copics. They are pretty much the same thing, a lot cheaper than Copic, and that's why I like these, because the quality is really awesome as well. It has like a little chiseled end, and then it has like a fine tip end. That was day 2. I really like advent calendars. I said that in the last video, but like this is just so fun. Waiting every single day to open up something new. I've just always loved them. I think last year I had a sock. I had like 2 sock ones I think I had last year, and I wasn't planning on getting one this year, and then it was sent to me, so I'm very happy about it. So my plans for today are making penguin bookmarks. I don't believe I'll be able to get up any earrings for this shop launch. I do apologize about that, but I want to make some penguin bookmarks, and then I want to finish making my stickers, and then hopefully I'll have everything ready by tonight and my shop will be opening tomorrow. Hopefully I can get everything done by then. I do need to head over to the post office. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow since I just don't feel very good today, and I have like probably 8 packages at the post office waiting for me. It's going to be a pain in the ass to try to get them all by myself. I used to wait till my boyfriend was with me to help me get all my packages, and the post office ladies would make jokes about it because they know me by name because I get too many packages, and he would help me, but he works every single day of the week now, so unfortunately he can't help me when they're open. So I'll probably go there tomorrow. I have a couple of presents, and one of them being a very, very expensive present that me and a couple family members have pitched in to pay for together for my mom. Yeah, just mainly doing shop stuff today, and then after I'm done with the shop stuff, I'm probably gonna do nothing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I just feel horrible, and I'm not gonna push myself any more than I need to. I do want to read. As many of you guys know, I do buddy reads on my Patreon. It's the $5 tiers, so I do need to get reading on The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V.E. Schwab. This is the book that I'm reading with my patrons, and we have a Discord to talk about it. But like, can we just talk about how stunning this book is? I saw a lot of people talk about how ugly it is, but I just find it so beautiful. Like, so I want to start this tonight. I do have the audiobook, so I could listen to it while I'm doing my shop stuff, but I do prefer reading my Patreon things just because I can annotate the book. And I'm watching House Hunters. That's nothing new with that, and I also need to do the laundry. I'm probably gonna start the laundry first before I do anything so I don't forget. I have a very toxic of me. I start my laundry and I forget that it's in the washing machine and they sour, and then I have to wash them again because I forgot that they were in there. There's like a whole song that happens after my washing machine is done. So I need to like put a reminder in my phone to like make sure to finish my laundry.
right, let's go to guest bedroom number 2, okay?
Not that big in size.
I mean, coming from where we're coming from.
A little less than 4 hours later, and I finished 5 of the penguin bookmarks. These didn't take me as long as most of the bookmarks do, and I guess it's just because we've got like, you know, basic shapes going on here. One of these will be going to my Patreon winner, so 4 of them will be up for sale. So we have 3 different bookmarks in the new update, and I'm pretty happy with that. Now I've just got to finish making all of the stickers, and I think we'll be good, which is awesome. I haven't eaten anything today, so I'm going to make kind of a late lunch, early dinner. It's 4, so I don't really know what that would be considered, but I'm gonna make some food. One of the favorite things that I like to make is sesame garlic ramen noodles. So I will show you guys the recipe so you can see it. You guys ask me all the time for it when I post it on my Instagram story, so I figured I would let you guys see it. Also, I got a package from Amazon in the mail. There was a lot of Cyber Monday deals on Amazon, and I have been looking to kind of renovating my kitchen in a rent-safe way, considering this is an apartment and I rent it. So I've been kind of looking at contact paper, and it was all like half off on Cyber Monday. So I got some contact paper to kind of renovate my kitchen to the way I want it, because I absolutely 100% hate my kitchen. I think it is so ugly. And since I can't afford a house anytime soon, I figured I would just renovate my apartment to how I want it, so I enjoy being in every room in my apartment. So this is definitely not going to be enough to cover my entire kitchen. I got 2 rolls for right now, just in case maybe it wasn't good, like a good brand, or maybe if I didn't like it, I didn't waste too much money, you know? So I got 2 rolls of black. This will be the color for the cabinets. My dream kitchen in the future is a black and white kitchen. I love black and white houses. I love just kind of basic modern with a little bit of color in houses. So I want to make my kitchen kind of just black and white, and grays. I do like grays as well. And then I also got 2 rolls of like this white marble contact paper. This is going to be for the countertops, because my countertops are like this really just weird brown color that I absolutely hate. I actually have used this contact paper for my bathroom, and I really love it. The one I got for my bathroom was at Walmart though, so we'll see if this one is better than the Walmart brand. They do seem smaller, but they're also like thicker. So yeah, I just got black and white, and in a future Vlogmas episode, probably a couple days from now, when I have the time, I'm going to kind of renovate my kitchen a little bit. So I feel like that would be a fun video idea, kind of giving you guys an idea on how to make a rental space a little bit more you, because there's so many different types of contact paper out there that you can buy. like 4:30, 5 in the afternoon. Around this time is when I feed my guinea pigs and deep clean their enclosure, give them, refill their water, all that stuff. So, I mean, this isn't my pet channel, but I figured I'd just show you them. I'm sorry about the lighting, but you can see them popcorning and running around.
Move. Ready? Want some pepper? Want some pepper? Okay.
And that is what I do every single afternoon. And they love their veggies. They love bell pepper, as you could see. They grab it from my hand and go running with it immediately. I give them one like little mini bell pepper a day. I try to give them green, but if I don't have green, I just give them orange and red because green bell peppers have less sugar. So I do try to give green if I have it, but I do not have any green bell peppers right now. I need to get some greens in a couple days. But yeah, that's my little daily routine with them. And again, this isn't my pet channel, and he still has his Halloween decor in there, and you cannot see him because he's actually hidden and sleeping in there. He is currently doing what is called brumation, which is basically like hibernation for bearded dragons. So he is actually sleeping. He doesn't eat, he doesn't drink, he doesn't come out, he doesn't literally do anything. It lasts from a couple weeks to a couple months, just depending on how long he decides to hibernate. So yeah, I don't really have anything in here because I keep check on him every single morning. If he seems like he's gonna come out, I'll put food in there, but I don't want to put any bugs in there or anything because then they'll just pester him. Okay guys, so I have most of my stuff in here. I'm sorry that the lighting is so bad, but I listed all of my stuff on Etsy that I already have ready, and then I prepared my order for my Patreon winner, who is Charlotte. So Charlotte, I know you're watching this. This is some of the random stuff you're getting. I basically just give you stuff that I never put up for sale, or stuff that I made for the new launches, or things that I never ended up cutting and stuff like that, just so they don't waste space and somebody else could possibly use them, because I don't personally put my art on a lot of things because I don't know, I just feel weird doing it. So it's just a lot of random stuff. Of course, we've got the new bookmarks, we've got logos, we have my cat, we have a lot of the different art prints over here that I've made, just some stuff that didn't end up going into orders. We've got the sun juice, orange juice, the snowman, the cat, some of the Thanksgiving stuff. Just a bunch of random stuff is going to Charlotte, so hope you enjoy all of that stuff. I hope I included enough for you. I think he keeps trying to hump her and it's driving me absolutely insane. Like every time I turn around, he is trying to hump her. Look, she's literally like, she's trying to square up with him because she's mad. I would be mad too. So I tried to make more stickers, but I guess because of the lighting in my apartment that the Cricut machine is not working and it won't cut the stickers because of the glare or whatever. So I can't make any more stickers tonight, but hopefully in the morning I'll be able to finish the rest of them and get it all, you know, ready. What I have done so far. So hopefully you can see, but I have the Christmas tree, snowman, and penguin bookmarks all up and ready. They're going to be $8 each. And we have the cat and tree sticker. I'm making more of these tomorrow. Currently I only have 5 of them. I'm going to try to make about 20 more. I have snowman cat stickers. I'm going to try to make about 10 to 15 more of those. I currently have 12. And then this time I made some digital downloads for people who don't want to pay for shipping but still want to get cute wallpapers. So this one is my home for the holidays little doodle thing that I made. I had a couple people message me and ask me if I could turn it into an art print. So I made 4 of those. That one will be physically shipped to you. You will have to pay for shipping, but this one right here is only $1. And basically you just pay for the digital download and then you download the PDF and it is just on your phone. So it's $1 for that. And then I also made this $1 as well. You can't really see it too well, but it's a wallpaper. So I made one that says December 25th. I made one that says let it snow, and then I also included just the plain one just in case you want to make your own font or just use the wallpaper. I have it as my wallpaper on my phone, as you can see, and my Patreons got that for free as well. But it's only $1, so feel free to download it if you want. Let me save that as a draft, but that's all my stuff on my drafts right now. Active, I do have one last print of Halloween stuff left. I'm gonna restock some of the orange juice and sun juice, and other than that, I may add the blueberry cat back because he always sells out too, but that will pretty much be everything that will be in this restock. I am once again using my phone light as lighting right now. That is probably going to be the theme of every night when I'm putting my outro out. But I got a lot done today and I am proud of myself. It is 8 o'clock at night right now, so I am just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, take a break for my day and read. I will be filming an exclusive vlog for the book that I'm reading, so that's gonna be a whole different thing. Tomorrow I will be finishing up all of these stickers considering I need light for my Cricut to even work. So I'm going to be finishing up the stickers, listing those, and then hopefully tomorrow afternoon is when my shop will be opening. I will send the link over to my patrons on Patreon first. Last time they bought out pretty much everything before anybody else could buy anything. So I don't know if that'll happen again, but that's what they get because they're paying more to have extra content from me. So that will happen tomorrow, and then I will announce it on my social medias that the shop will be open and you guys can pick stuff out for yourself. If you guys made it this far in the video, make sure to put a little Christmas emoji down below so I know that you have watched the whole video. Make sure to check out my other channels down below. I have a pet channel and a reading channel. Also, my social medias are down below, like my Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!